Hi guys, welcome to the amazing world of mathematics. Today we are going to learn about equations. There are many kinds of equations, but today we are going to learn the easiest kind, called linear equations with one variable. Because there is only one variable in this equation and the highest power of the variable is 1, it is the basis of all other equations. Now we will see how to solve this kind of equation. First, with a simple example, 4x equals 8. Here, there is only one term with x, so it's pretty easy to solve. We just need to divide both sides by 4, then we get x equals 2, and it's already done. Here is another example. 2x minus 5x plus 6x equals 6. Now, there is more than one term with x, so what should we do then? It's actually pretty simple because all the terms with x are on the same side of the equation. 2x minus 5x equals negative 3x, and then negative 3x plus 6x equals 3x. And then we get the equation 3x equals 6. Divide both sides by 3, we will get x equals 2, which is our answer. In both of the previous problems, the coefficients of x are integers, but what should we do if the coefficients are fractions? Let's look at an example. To solve this problem, we have to find the smallest number into which all the individual denominators, 2, 3, and 3, will divide exactly. This number is called the lowest common multiple. Here it is 6. So let's multiply the entire equation by 6. We get 3x plus 2x equals 10. 3x plus 2x is 5x. So then we get the equation 5x equals 10. We divide both sides by 5 and we get the final result, x equals 2. We can see in all of these problems, all the terms with x are on one side and all the terms with numbers are on the other side. So it's pretty easy for us to calculate. But what if the terms with x are on both sides of the equation? Let's look at an example together. 5x minus 2 equals x plus 6. The first step in solving this kind of equation is always to gather all the terms with x to one side and all the terms without x to another side. This method is called transposition. Here we add 2 to each side and get 5x equals x plus 8. Then we subtract x from each side and get 4x equals 8. Now it's pretty easy to solve. We divide both sides by 4, and the solution is x equals 2. Now I am going to show you a simpler way of using transposition to solve the equation. We just move a term from one side of the equation to the other side by changing its sign from plus to minus, or from minus to plus. Let's look at this problem again. First, we just need to transfer x to the left side, so we subtract x and get negative x. Then we transfer negative 2 to the right side and get 2. The equation turns into 5x minus x equals 2 plus 6. Combine these terms and we get the equation 4x equals 8. Divide both sides by 4 and the final solution is x equals 2. Using this method makes it much easier, right? Now I think you've mastered the basic method to solve an equation. And that's all for today. We will learn how to apply using equations in practice in future videos, so please stay tuned. If you have any questions, leave your comments below or email us at question@beatmath.com. We will try to answer your questions in future videos, and the most common questions will be given priority in our next video. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell button to turn on notifications so when we answer your questions in future videos, you'll be notified. See you next time.